I'm stood in front of the Hanoi Opera House. The Opera House has been open for 115 years. In 2 days' time, it's going to close its doors for the final time before a massive refurbishment that is predicted to take 2 years. I've never been to the Hanoi Opera House, but for the past week, they've been opening their doors to the public, letting them see the Opera House as it is for one last time. Let's go inside and take a look. We're in. A couple of my friends did come and do this yesterday, and they said they probably wouldn't come and do it again. They said it was a little bit expensive for what it is, but you know, I've never been in the place before, so let's go and take a look.
Ladies and gentlemen, to the lobby space of 115 years, the Opera House telling the story.
Nobody seems to be talking about how this place opened on the 9th of December, I think, in 1911. That's 114 years, no? Everywhere it's saying the 115th anniversary. Very strange. Right, let's take a look at the view from the balcony. Looks like it's going to absolutely belt it down. Here we go. We're on to the stage. Thank you. Let's see what it looks like before the curtains open. that was pretty immense. It's probably the only time I'll ever step foot on the Hanoi stage, so I think that was worth it. What I do find quite amusing about the Opera House is it is one of Hanoi's kind of main tourist attractions. But you wouldn't think so when it comes to access. If you're any side of the street apart from the side that it's on, it's an absolute pain in the arse to get to. There's like no way to get to it apart from crossing this crazy road which has traffic coming from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 directions. That's Hanoi for you. Luckily, I know what I'm doing when it comes to the old roads of Hanoi. One day I'm going to say that just as a bike comes crashing straight into me. Right, this road that leads away from the Hanoi Opera House leads to the south of Hoan Kiem Lake. And I do believe there are some kind of exhibitions, free exhibitions down there. So we'll go and take a look at that. Right, I think this is where the exhibition is. I think it's free. What's this all about? Is this supposed to do something? Christmas is already a thing of the past. All up here they're putting up the signs for Happy New Year 2026, and the young Vietnamese ladies are still here in their traditional dress, taking all their photos. It's quite the scene. Now it's pointless me telling you whether or not you should go to the Hanoi Opera House to see the show, because they close their doors in 2 days. So all I can do is give you my opinion, what I thought of it. I really enjoyed it. There wasn't really much in the way of learning about the building because the guide was speaking entirely Vietnamese. There was one guide who came around with us who spoke in English, but she seemed to vanish and she didn't have a mic on and she just seemed to be there if people wanted to ask questions. So I didn't really learn much about it. I did learn that it's celebrating its 115th anniversary because it's 114 years since it opened. What else did I learn? They used 35,000 bamboo shoots to lay the foundations, and that's about it really. But yeah, the building itself is absolutely beautiful. The stage was fantastic, the light show was incredible, I really enjoyed that. It was worth the admission. I walked past Hanoi Opera House many times, never even been in the building, so it was nice to go in and take a look to see what it looks like, especially, as I said, with the light show. So, thumbs up.